Hello, it's Joe Turch, Southeastern School District Digital Learning Coordinator, Special Student Populations Coordinator. Wanted to bring to you a quick tutorial on atomic learning. Taken a couple of phone calls recently on atomic learning and put together a quick slideshow and wanted to kind of walk through it just in case there are any questions on how to use it and how to get in. So atomic learning. First thing you'd want to do is to go log into our Southeastern School District webpage. The district page is the best one to access it from. If you click here on the staff link, that will bring you to the staff directory. This is where all of the hot links are stored. There's one for atomic learning. Click on atomic learning. If you just search for atomic learning, you're not going to get to the Southeastern site. So there is a specific Southeastern atomic learning site. You're going to log in there with your at sesd.k12.pa.us username and password, the same one you use for everything else. Once you get in, you'll see something specific to you. You'll see your name at the top. With a welcome note. You may not have all the tools that I have on here. I have some administrative privileges, but basically you'll see these same tabs. You'll have a Discover tab, which will give you kind of a, here's what we have, best practice, here's what people are accessing in your area, or things that are specifically designed for us. There's a search button or a search tab where if you have something specific, for example, Google Apps or Spelling City, you can search specifically for those things, anything on literacy. The next tab is favorites. My training, spotlights, and then personalized learning pathways. I don't think we have any personalized learning pathways developed yet, but I know that some buildings are looking to do that. If you were on and you click on one of the Spotlight apps or the Google Apps for Education, I know that is kind of a hot button. It's one of those requests I get a lot here at school of how can I use certain things. Here's an idea. The first thing, they've changed the name of it. It's now called G Suite. So you'll be able to kind of learn some Google Apps for Education. When you click on the button, it'll bring up a brief description. You can kind of see that it's 3 credit hours. Here's the author. Here's kind of the things that you're going to go through. There's a learn it, do it, share it, improve it. And that's kind of how every one of their courses are built. Maybe you don't want to learn about Google Apps, so you want to learn about literacy. So you click on the search bar and you can type in literacy, and then it'll bring up all of the courses that are currently written for literacy, what application they're using, how many tutorials are on there, and about approximate total time. So you'll be able to know that, all right, if I only have 45 minutes in my planning period, and maybe I'm going to do this 38-minute course. But if I have, half a day or a longer day, I'm going to try to do this 4-hour course. Again, totally up to you, customizable. Everything you do is tracked, so your total hours are tracked. As you earn certificates, you'll get certificates. Next thing, Spotlight. So here is where you'll see, kind of the titles that are there that are hot button titles, ones people are accessing. Click Spotlights. These are kind of the ones that are up there, keeping kids safe online, video storytelling in the classroom. These are some hot button ideas, so a good place to get started. My training. My training is specific if someone, an administrative privilege, gives you a recommended training or an assigned training, here's where you'll find it. I believe I tried to, for the Stewartstown people, recommend a how-to atomic learning training, so you may be able to check that there. Where do you start? If you have no idea how to use the site and this tutorial isn't enough, go to the Atomic Learning website how-to tutorial. Looks like it's only a few minutes long. Here's the course when you click on it. You can search for atomic learning. There it is. How to use the site, where you get your certificates, what your ePortfolio looks like. Again, going through and learning along the way. How do I get to that? Again, search bar, atomic learning. Go down for the one you're interested in. This one right here says 10 minutes. I think that's the one I would pick. If you get stuck, you have a question and no one's around, there's a support tab. Click on the support tab. I believe there is live online answers, so probably opens up a chat room with someone there. There's also frequently asked questions, or if you're really stuck and you can't log in or whatever, Atomic Learning would be your contact, or building principal tech support here. But I would definitely try the support on the site before I try any of those others. Again, just a brief tutorial on Atomic Learning. In the comments of the video, there is a link to all of the slides, so you can access those slides there. Those slides were just live screenshots or pictures of my screen as I went through. If you have any questions or need me to come out and walk you through anything, I'm glad to do so. Please contact me via email or social media, and I will be out there. And use this time to learn anyhow, anywhere, and anytime, and learn on those things that are specific to you and your classroom. Have a great day, everyone.